What's up everybody, Ryan here, coming at you from Akron, Ohio. I'm here to do some troubleshooting on two rooftop units. We had another tech out here. Basically the one unit has some blown fuses and we need to replace the fuses and troubleshoot that unit. And the other unit, he couldn't get into the disconnect because of a massive bee's nest, I guess. So I'm here to play exterminator as well. So we're gonna take care of the bees, we're gonna replace some fuses, and we're gonna troubleshoot some units. So let's check it out. All right guys, I was kind of expecting some garbage, but looks like we've got some fairly decent Lennox rooftop units up here. So let's find 4 and 8 and see if we can figure this out. All right, here's unit number 8. Apparently this one has the bee's nest in it and needs troubleshot. Well, let's take a peek here. Oh, damn. Oh, yeah. Say we've got some stingers. Oh. Yeah, nice little oh. All right, well, I think I got that taken care of. All right, well, let's see if we can figure out what's wrong with this thing now. Not sure why they got a disconnect there and a disconnect here. But let's start looking, see what we can figure out. I know you guys are probably gonna give me the shit because I said bees nest, but they're wasps. I'm not out here killing bees. You gotta keep those alive. They're good for all of humanity. But anyway. All right, first thing I'm gonna do is test these fuses and make sure they're good. Both the fuses are good. Check my voltage coming into the disconnect. 241 volts. Pull this panel, make sure that this unit disconnect is good. Not really sure what was going on the day the other tech was here, so I'm just going to start at square one here. I don't see any issues with that. Everything looks fine there. So I'm going to go ahead and power this thing up and see what it's doing. All right, we've got power back on. And it's running the heating. Unbelievable. Why are you heating? Looks like we've got a call for W2 and G and occupy. Our blower's running and it ignited. I'm gonna go ahead and shut the gas valve off just so we're not heating up the space. Let's see what we got going on here. I'm gonna have to trace out the thermostat wires and see how this thing's calling. It's on an EMS system. We've got this EMS control board here. And I did have a call at W2, but not at W1. So I'm gonna trace that out, figure out what we've got going on. I'll be back with you here as soon as I can figure it out. All right, I got a call into the other tech that's here. Apparently these all used to be on an EMS system and he bypassed the EMS. This is one of those seasonal stores. It's a store that's been closed down, and then right around that time of year, a certain store comes in and sells for 3 months. So they're looking to just get these operational. So I got a call into him. Somehow he bypassed the Prodigy board to run with no thermostat. So I got to see exactly what he did there. But in the meantime, I'm going to work on this one. It has blown fuses. I don't find any fuses here in the unit, so I'm assuming they're downstairs in a disconnect, but I'm going to start poking around and see if I can figure out why those fuses might have blown. All right, everybody. Well, we got a direct short from the line side of the compressor contactor, as you can see right there. We got it disconnected, and so that's what's causing the fuses to blow. Ooh, no. It's not the contactor. All right, everybody, I traced it down right here. It's the crankcase heater is shorted to ground. Let me show you. I've got the wires pulled for the crankcase heater, so we're not tied into anything else. Right there it is. You can see that little burnt black mark right there. So that's number one. We're just gonna leave that disconnected. I'm gonna tape those wires up. We're gonna quote to replace the crankcase heater. I'm gonna button this unit back up. Then I'm gonna give Lennox a call and see how I get these put into backup mode to run the air conditioning off of the built-in temperature sensors. That's what the other tech did with all the rest of these. So that's what I'm gonna do. So I'm gonna go change the fuses in the mechanical room, and then we're gonna give Lennox a call and get these units up and running and I can get out of here. All right, guys, I got the fuses replaced. Should have a 480 volt 3-phase up here now. And we do. And I've got no more shorts to ground. Got that crankcase heater disconnected and the wires pinned up. So I'm gonna button this unit back up and we're gonna cycle it, and then I'll show you how to put these Prodigy boards into backup mode in case you're on an EMS system and the EMS is screwed up, or you don't have thermostats, or whatever the case may be. You can actually use the return air sensor as your heating and cooling set point. All right, everybody, I'm gonna go ahead and test this now. I don't know if you're gonna be able to see this, but basically to test it, you hit service, test, guided, don't hit enter, hit down, blower, fans, cool, full, hit enter, and there we go. I love these Prodigy boards. I like Lennox rooftop units. All right, guys, I got that all taped up. Let me show you here. You're gonna hit enter, enter. You're gonna go to settings. You're gonna scroll down to control. All right, hit control. Where's local? Local. Then it says return air backup, question mark, yes. Occupied cool backup set point. 70 degrees. Hit enter. Unoccupied cool backup set point. 70 degrees. Hit enter. Hold the back button for 4 seconds and let the control reset. Updating, and we should get an M2 reset on this controller. It says updating M2 reset. It said updating set point. So when that return air sensor hits 70 degrees, it should kick the air on. All right, everybody, as I was walking over from the other unit, this one kicked on, and it's all under the backup return air sensor reading. So we're good. They should be good until after October 31st when they're closed. So from Akron, Ohio, it's Ryan. Little interesting thing, I learned something today about these Prodigy boards. Very cool, I think. So, you know, so if you found what I found handy on these Prodigy boards, please subscribe to my channel. 75% of the views I get on my YouTube channel for people that aren't subscribed. So it's easy. Hit that subscribe button, hit that bell button. That'll notify you anytime a new video is put out. Like, share, subscribe. I appreciate you watching. From Akron, Ohio, I'm gonna put a fork in this one because we're done, and I'll see you on the next one.